A former senator and member of parliament appears before a magistrate today, but the planned arraignment does not proceed. Good evening, everyone. I'm Keishla Adderley, and welcome to the Bahamas Tonight, the National Report. Former senator and chairman of the Public Hospitals Authority, Frank Smith, has been with police since yesterday morning. Smith's attorney, Damian Gomez, told reporters at the Central Detective Unit yesterday that his client was asked by officers to come in as the CDU opened a probe. Well, Jiminy Swain explains tonight that he appeared in court, but things did not go as planned.
Former Progressive Liberal Party Senator and Member of Parliament and former Chairman of the Public Hospitals Authority Frank Smith arrived at the Nassau Street Court complex in handcuffs and flanked by several uniformed and plainclothes officers. Since Wednesday, Smith was being questioned in connection with an ongoing fraud probe. When he entered the court expecting to learn what those charges would be, Chief Magistrate Joyanne Ferguson-Pratt asked for a recess and spoke to defense attorney Damian Gomez, who represents Smith, and prosecutor Timothy Sanders in chambers. In that time, Smith chatted with family members, including his wife and mother and father-in-law, Sir Franklin Wilson and Sharon Lady Wilson, as well as family friend and attorney Valentine Grimes. After the brief adjournment, Prosecutor Sanders informed the court that he would be ready to proceed with the arraignment at noon Friday. However, when questioned by the court if that was the earliest time possible, the prosecutor assured that he would do his best to have the file in place. The court inquired of Smith if he had had lunch. He responded that he had not, but he indicated that he had been given breakfast. Ferguson-Pratt told family members that they would be permitted to provide Smith with lunch. Outside of court, Smith's attorney had these comments regarding his client's court appearance with the absence of a file to be charged.
The abuse of Mr. Frank Smith has now taken a really serious turn. The law requires the police, as soon as they have reason to charge someone, to bring them as quickly before a magistrate as is humanly possible. We were told at about 1:30 that we were to attend court for the arraignment at 2. I have been sitting waiting since 1:45 in the court. At 3:30 we were told that there is no file, that one is being generated, and that it will take until sometime around 11 o'clock tomorrow morning for that file to be available, so that the magistrate is able to perform her function.
To Gomez, the act is, in his words, hideous and unforgivable. He scheduled a meeting with officers at 10 o'clock Thursday morning, but that meeting was canceled.
It is an attempt to prevent him from obtaining bail before the weekend. And this can only be regarded as a most vicious attempt to take away the liberty of a person who has given public service for many years and who is a professional. As soon as we have the arraignment completed, we will be before the Supreme Court attempting to get bail.
Smith will remain in police custody overnight. Chief Magistrate Ferguson-Pratt says she expects Smith to be in place at 11 a.m. Friday morning, and at that point, the matter would proceed. Jiminy Swain, ZNS Network News.